Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with a delicious Domino's style paneer parcel recipe. It's a super soft bun with a creamy and flavorful paneer filling inside. Also, it's a healthy recipe. We don't use any refined flour or sugar in it. If you're new to my channel and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. So come on, let us bake the paneer parcel. Let us take 1 teaspoon instant yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Into this, we'll add 150 ml of lukewarm water. If you're using active dry yeast, allow the yeast to bubble up and activate and then add the flour. Into this we'll add 150 gram of fine semolina or rava and 100 grams of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of salt. Into this let us add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Instead of using milk powder, water can be substituted with milk. Mix it well and allow it to rest for 15 minutes so that the flour absorbs the water and becomes soft and gluten starts developing. Now let us knead the dough using the kneading hooks and the hand mixer and knead it till the dough comes together and starts leaving the bowls and becoming a ball. Knead for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now the dough has started leaving the sides of the bowl and becoming a ball. Into this we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and again knead the dough till the oil is incorporated and the dough becomes soft and elastic. In case you feel that the dough is very loose or too soft, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of flour in between. Or if you find that the dough is very dry, you can use 1 or 2 teaspoons of liquid. Now add a little oil and bring the dough together, make it into a ball and allow it to rest for 1 to 1.5 hours till the dough becomes double in size. Now let us prepare the filling. I've taken 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder and salt to taste, and into this we'll add uh, juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and into this we'll add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it well and keep it aside. Into a pan, let us add some oil and take 1 medium sized onion and saute it. Into this chili powder according to taste and add 150 grams of paneer cubed and stir it well till it becomes soft. Add enough salt. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Mix it well. And into this we'll add half a capsicum chopped, a little oregano, and into this let us add the prepared sauce and mix it and keep it aside. So our filling is ready. Now the dough has risen well. Let us give it a short knead and transfer this onto a floured counter. And we'll divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Now we'll roll out each ball into a round. See that you don't roll it out very thin and the center portion is a little thick. Now we'll fold it in and make it into a triangle. With this measure, we can make 8 such paneer packets. Add about 1 tablespoon of the filling and apply some water at the corners and bring the corners together like this and pinch it down so that it doesn't open up while baking. And we'll transfer this onto a baking sheet and all our paneer packets are made. We'll brush it with oil and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius on toast mode for 15 minutes. Our healthy and delicious paneer parcel is ready. Let us brush it with some melted butter. Hope you liked the video. Please do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.